I am going to make pizza crust using sourdough. I've kind of been wanting to make a sourdough pizza crust because I love pizza. Pizza is one of the early things that I learned how to make. I've been making my own pizza from scratch since about 7th grade. So that's cool. Makes me happy. I wooed my husband with homemade pizza in university. Oh yeah. I'm using up the last of my discard. This recipe I've not made before, but we're giving it a try. As you use your discard if possible. I do have some freshly fed starter. Look how happy it is. Add a little of that.
Sorry.
What?
Are you really making overnight waffles?
Yeah. In the morning, I'm making waffles.
Out the window.
Hi.
Oh, I'm not sweeping 2/3.
Excuse the bickering children. They're children. Ugh. Gross. Alright. Now, to my starter, I'm going to be adding olive oil, salt. There's the salt. I don't like to add the salt directly to my starter. I know lots of people do, and it's probably just fine, but it's just not my way. Add my 2 tablespoons of oil. There's some other really good looking recipes out there, but they all called for like semolina, which I don't have and don't have access to because we're on like extra lockdown, because you know it's COVID, so we have to be on lockdown, and then there's rioting, so there might not be anything at the grocery store anyway. Theoretically, if I had started this earlier today, we could be having pizza tonight, which would have been really nice, I have to say. I would have kind of loved to have pizza tonight. But that's just not what's happening. I have a really nice thin pizza crust recipe that I've been making for years. Hoping this one will be a little bit more puffy, more like a hand tossed. Theoretically, we can just mix this until it comes together and then let it sit. Okay, I'm wishing I'd done this in the mixer because my hands hate this. I'm not gonna get the mixer dirty now. That would be silly. I'm gonna do it by hand though. It smells nice. It's very soft. Looks pretty good. Smells pretty good. I guess we'll see in the morning how it feels. We're gonna put this under a wet towel, a damp tea towel. You could use saran wrap if that's your thing, or those little waxed paper things that are reusable, beeswax that you could stick to things. You could use those too. Alright, so here's my pizza crust this morning. I'm going to just do a little bit of stretch and fold, and then it goes in the refrigerator until this evening when we're ready to use it. Pizza.
That was me making the yum noises. I want to try that.
This is deflating or knocking
going
back. Yep.
It went psh, it just let out a bunch of air.
Yes, it did.
Can I try?
Can I try? Not right now, no.
Mm.
You'll get to mess with it later. It's a really nice soft dough. I haven't used it before and I like it already. Back in the bowl. And now I'm going to cover it up and put it in the refrigerator. So I took my dough out half an hour ago to let it warm up. Now I'm going to split it into 4 equal parts and then let it rest for another half an hour. Ooh, really nice gluten formation there. My usual recipe, I shock the crust before I start doing anything with it, so it gets kind of a par bake first. This is a new crust recipe, different instructions. We're gonna see how this goes. Also never made a crust that you can toss, so it's a different crust to the old.
Goat. There you go. In the house. Come on. Go. Go. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah.
So what we want to do is get it out, put it
That side
that
down?
side down first, and then flip it over.
When you took them out to warm up, you could have put them on a
Uh-huh.
tray if you wanted to, so maybe next time we'll do that.
Yeah, next time we'll put them on
Take
a
them
tray.
out,
It's,
you know,
a
while
lot.
they're cold, take them out cold, set them on a tray.
Yep. Do that. Get the bottom coated. Then flop it over. Start working your channel on the outside edge. It's going to leave you the crust on the outside that gets big.
Yep.
Work that channel, and then I'm going to make sure to get under this. And you start just kind of, you pull out. Just get it to a certain size, and you can start back and forth. Just get it up there. mix it.
Kids are missing all this awesomeness.
Yep. Yeah. Need more
fine.
practice and bigger dough to get it nice and round, but.
But
Yeah,
also,
so
this is not a bad size for, you know, us, so.
Yep. Definitely need to get back in practice.
Oh, that looks so good. It's bubbling away.
Good.
I might skimp on the sauce. I'm not sure.